Hi everyone and welcome back to my beauty channel. Today we have another huge Shein unboxing haul and I've ordered a lot of stuff. I hope you follow me, but if you don't, just hit the subscribe button down there and of course like, comment, all of that. So let's dive in. Here we have it. Ugh. Okay. I love scrapbooking. Shein has some of the best scrapbooking and the most affordable scrapbooking stuff. So here we have these pink sheets. So they've been they're a bit messed up. We have some dresses, I think, or is this? No, this is a couple of jeans. Always terrified to try out new jeans. So I think this is the mama jeans. They're a bit baggy. Okay, they feel like good material and they look very nice. So we'll just see how they look on. I mean, come on, they're so good. I love them. I'm definitely going to use these like a lot. I already have these in a couple of shades, but my black one had a hole in it. I love them. They're so cozy, good material, and love it. I've ordered a lot of shades, if I remember correctly. Yes, a green as well. And beige. A bit wrinkled, but they are so tight on your body that it doesn't really matter. I think that was all of them. So you know I'm going to nursing school, and when I graduate I'm going to have a huge party, of course. So because it's nursing and medicine, you know, of course I'm going to have a theme and it will be healthcare and medicine and all of that. So I found these cake cutters. I think they were so awesome and they were pretty big. So okay, I definitely have to try these out before and see if they're any good. And for my daughter's last birthday, I did like this huge guirlande with balloons, and I put some butterflies between and all of that. I have a picture and I can show you now. Of course, I want to redo these next birthday, so I bought some white butterflies. These stickers you receive in the package are useless, so I used a double-sided tape that I had at home. Ah, okay, this is protection glass for my phone. It's 3 of them. I needed a new one. This is for the iPhone 14. And some makeup, of course. Here we have the She Glam foundation, the Complexion Pro Long Lasting Breathable Matte Foundation. I've used this a lot. I ordered 2 different shades because mine are empty. I have kind of a tan right now. You know, I'm very pale usually. So I've ordered porcelain and chantilly. So we'll see if they match my skin. I think I used porcelain before. I love this new hair clip trend, so I had to order some new ones. How cute. And 2 more shades. And I saw a girl on Instagram when she was studying for exams. She created these flashcards, you know, physically, and she used these rings. So she got like I don't know how to explain it, but I bought rings for that, so I can create my own ones. I bought 2 different sizes because I didn't know how they actually looked. I think these will be much better than these small ones. I love, love, love the She Glam eyeliner pencil. No, eyebrow pencil. I bought a couple of them because I use these like every day. Oh, I love them. And I use the shade light brown. I also found some new lashes. I thought they looked so expensive and just beautiful. This is for creating, you know, holes in paper. Let's try it out. On this. Where do you put it? There. Oh, okay. We definitely have a hole. I think this was like $1 or something. Really, really good. Some balloons for Chanel's next birthday. I'm not going to open these. I never do because the plastic can get like old and they get destroyed. These, well, I love them for my eyebrow, and I'm just shaping the brow, and then sometime if I have a mustache or hair somewhere. We have more hair clips. So we have a lot of hair clips. Good. This is what do you call it? It's for my scrapbooking. So I have these stamps, and this is the ink for the stamps. It's huge. I thought it would be smaller. This is just black. This is for post-it stickers, or what you call it. I have them everywhere, just unorganized, so I thought it would be good to have this specific little box for my stickers. And here we have a little storage box. I actually wanted a box for my memory cards, and I thought this maybe would work. Maybe here or here, but these are a bit small. Highbrow shaping wax. Yeah, it's definitely waxy. Okay, I have to try this tomorrow. Perfect Skin High Coverage Concealer from She Glam. I've tried one of their concealers and I actually liked it, so I thought I would try another one. Oh, it's very, very light right now. So these are for my daughter, so she can help me cooking dinner, and I mean, she can't cut herself with these, but she can cut some tomatoes maybe? No. Maybe, I don't know, salad or just vegetables overall. I've seen a lot of ads for these ones on a very, very expensive shop. So these were so affordable in comparison. So I mean, come on. Oh, okay. I'm going to frame them. It's like real, it's like fabric. This one. This will look awesome. Okay, I'm so excited about these. Let's check out the clothes. Yeah, this is a dress. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. This is like so tiny. Hello? It's like my head. Obviously, it's like very, very stretchy. It's a very nice fabric. We just have to try it on. And a dress, I think. Yeah, I love these floral dresses. Okay, this was a very, very beautiful shade, like romantic shade, romantic color. Come on, that's beautiful. Oh, yeah, it's a dress as well. This is so beautiful. Oh, I have to try it out now, now, now. I love all of the clothes. They look so, so, so amazing. One of the dresses were damaged, so I went to email them or message them and see if they can send me a new one. But other than that, I love, love, love all of the clothes, and the jeans were so, so, so good. And I'm really, really happy about all the products, and this is a successful buy. That's everything for this video. I see you in the next one, and have a great weekend, and I love you. Bye, 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 bye.